Noodle Museum, and we are about to make our own cup noodles. And yeah, we're currently in Yokohama. We're gonna be here for a little while, and we're gonna check out the giant Gundam, hopefully, and then head back to Tokyo, where we are staying at our second hotel. So I'll see you guys while we're making noodles. Got my cup noodles. So we've just checked into our second hotel. We are here for 5 nights, and it's a lot different from the one we stayed in Shibuya, because I thought, you know what, it's Richie's birthday, let's treat him, so let's do the nicer hotel first, and then we'll do the slightly budget one after. So the room is a lot smaller. We have another humidifier. We've got more pajamas. Don't look at the curtain. There's Richie. And I'll show you our bathroom. Our bathroom is based on a traditional Japanese bathroom. So yeah, it is after 10. Our plan wasn't to get here this late, but we kind of got stuck in Yokohama watching the giant Gundam. And yeah, so we're gonna, I'm gonna say strip off, not strip off, but we're gonna relax a little bit, then head out for food. So I'll see you guys on the streets. Good afternoon, guys. It is about 12:55 and we are in Odiba, and we are gonna just walk around checking the sights. Last time I was here pretty late and I got lost on the way back to where I was staying, but not this time because I got data. So yeah, I'll show you guys around.
Baby, every day I wake up, I'm just trying to feel my feet, trying to feel anything. Then I see you over there smiling, and it all comes back, it all comes trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste my time? Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine? Have you got something to say now?
じゃあ2回戦に分かれたバリがファースト運行セットプリー
Kinda crazy. Is there something kinda crazy? Tell me, baby. Ready for you to come, baby. I'm looking, but if you want to, we could. How about you? 'Cause I've been, call me baby. I know it's kinda crazy, but if you're down for me, let's. Don't be so shy, just don't keep me waiting, yeah. Am I the one you're dreaming of? Every day I'm thinking of you. Oh, you, oh, yeah, yeah. Got me feeling lucky. Come my way, you lovely, oh. I've been waiting for you for a while. I've been waiting for you. Oh, I've been waiting for you. Yeah. I'm looking, but if you want to, we could. How about you? I've been, call me baby. I know it's kinda crazy, but if you're down for me, let's. Don't be so shy, just don't keep me waiting, yeah.
Whoa! So we just had different variations of Okonomiyaki. And now we are heading to, what's the name? Can't see, got my glasses on. Sai-Zedi. Sai-Zedi-ya.
Yes!
Sai-Zedi-ya, which is meant to be a not so great Italian restaurant in Japan. So we met up with my friend and her daughter, and they're treating us to dinner basically.
Lặng nhìn anh chờ mong anh mà anh hững hờ. Từng đêm nhớ từng tin nhắn không ai biết được. Em cũng chỉ cần một chút hơi ấm của anh. But that's enough, your item moves, it's over tonight.
Good afternoon guys, hope you can hear me. So we're at Tensoji Temple and we did the fortune, and I got, what is it, the best fortune. Obviously I didn't film when I did it, but take my word for it. I got it. And Richie got good fortune. Good fortunes all around. So yeah, we're gonna stay here for a little bit, check out bits and pieces, and then we're gonna head to Osaka. No, we are in Osaka, Akihabara. So I'll see you guys then. One big fried chicken and one spicy.
One.
Yeah, one.
Okay. 1,200. 800.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。はい、スパイシーノーマン。Thank you.
Sorry guys, I took a bite off camera.
Flawless, not like perfect, more like effortless, subconscious. It's like all of the atoms, they coming together to bring us a goddess, chasing a chip, undefeated with a drip. I reckon I never would skip. I know that I tripped and I almost fell into a pit, but I'm trying to get back on the tip of the top, tip of the iceberg, cause I'm trying to be cool with you. Ice cold, driving a coupe with you. That's just a vision I have, and I take you to destinations that you need to be. Attending events you got going on, celebrating all your victories.
Effortless comes to mind when I think about you. Effortless comes to my mind. You know when you walk in the room, it's your time, money on my mind, money on my mind. I could give you every clue, but you don't need someone to spell it out for you.
Good afternoon guys. I could just about see. It is just after 3 and we are in the East Gardens of the Imperial Palace. Gonna walk around before we head to where I was meant to go to yesterday, but it was closed. But I'm not gonna tell you where, I'm gonna show you instead because I can't remember the name of it. But I guess I'll see you guys then.